Welcome. Myself, Dr. Dhale from DJ Sanghvi College of Engineering, Production Department, Mumbai. We'll discuss about the introduction to sustainable manufacturing. Now, if you have some manufacturing division or you are working in manufacturing, then you should ask first, is your company trying to cope up with incoming environmental regulation? Are you customer demanding better environmental data? Do you want to lower your energy and material cost? And are you interested in producing and marketing greener products? These are the questions which are very important to ask yourself if you want to think about the sustainable manufacturing. Now, what is meant by sustainability? The sustainable development is a development that means the need of the present without compromising the ability of future generation to meet their own needs. Generally, there is a concept that triple bottom line. Now, there are mainly three parts: environment, economic, and the social one. Or it is also, some people are call it as the people, planet, and profit sustainability. The people related to the social, planet it is related to the environment, and the profit it is related to the economy. This people, planet, profit sustainability is the intersection of these three concepts. Whenever we manufacture any product, we have to see the impact on environment, on economic, and impact of the social. The environment and manufacturing, the important concept. The intersection of the environment and the manufacturing is discussed in many different ways, often using terms that are not only always clearly defined, but most of the time they are confusing. So here we'll see this mainly, we can divide this into three parts: sustainable manufacturing, green technology, and green products. Clean technologies and green product. These are the three different terms which we'll see one by one. Now this sustainable manufacturing. Sustainable manufacturing means a systematic approach to eliminate waste by optimizing use and selection of resources and technologies, thereby lessening the impact on the environment. Sustainable manufacturing focuses on how the product is made as well as the product attributes. Now this product attributes, this includes the input, the manufacturing processes, and the product design. So which are the manufacturing process involved in your product? Because ultimately that impacts on the environment. And the product design, because in design process the material selection and complete the life cycle of that product is involved. Sustainable manufacturing includes the things such as making products using less energy and the materials, producing less waste, and using fewer hazardous as well as the products that have the greener attributes such as recyclability, lower energy use. Sustainable manufacturing practices can range from very simple processes, maybe in a small change that gives you the big impact on the environment, as well as the large investment in new technologies, and sometimes it requires the complete product redesign. Then the clean technologies, the clean or environmental technologies are technologies associated with the things like environmental protection, assessment compliance and environmental regulation, pollution control and prevention, waste management, remediation of contaminated property, design and operation of environmental infrastructure, and the provision and delivery of environmental resources. The sorry. The examples include this is water treatment, recycling of the waste, solid waste management, solar panels, and wind turbines. This gives you the clean technology. And the green products can be any product that is designed to reduce its environmental impact. A key concept is that environmental concern and impact are taken into account from the beginning of the product design process. This is important because most of the products environmental impact is determined in the design stage only. That's why the design is very important if you want to avoid the adverse effect of that product on the environment. The product may be made of recycled materials, designed so that it can be easily recycled, made without hazardous material, or produce less packaging. There are also many eco-labeling programs that are used to identify and market green products. There are no acceptable standard as such right now for what constitutes a green product, and that to be today's need to do that. So, what does the sustainable manufacturing mean in actual practice? The first step is using renewable material that don't deplete the natural environment, using fewer material and inputs and materials that are non-hazardous or recycled, modifying the production process to use less energy, water and materials and to produce less waste. Then using less packaging, lowering product weight, using more efficient transportation and logistics. You can understand what I mean to say, because ultimately if you use the less packaging, definitely we can reduce the overall effect on the environment, reduce the weight so that transportation cost will low. Using more efficient transportation, again you can reduce the energy or fuel required for the transportation and the logistics. Then working with the stakeholders like customers and retailers to reduce the environmental impact of sales and distribution, and expanding the life of the product, making it easier to repair or designing it to use fewer resources during use. So if you use the life cycle of the product, if you increase the life cycle of the product, so definitely the number of product produced will become less, and so definitely the impact of that will reduce. And finally, which is very important, and that is at the not only the manufacturing, but it is at the stage of designing only, designing your product to be reusable, remanufacturable, recyclable or biodegradable. So you design the product in such a way that should be reusable, remanufacturable, recyclable, at least if not all this, that should be biodegradable, so that will not create any impact on the environment. And finally, the sustainability, it is not a destination, it is a journey. Remember, there is no such a thing as company with no environmental impact. Nothing is there which doesn't have any environmental impact. There is no sustainability. So your goal should be continuous improvement making a constant advances in your company's overall sustainability performance. So thank you very much.